Welcome back, everyone, to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, and with me is Jennifer.
Hi, Jack. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something very useful for everyday life: shopping and supermarket English words.
That's right. Shopping is something we all do, and knowing the right words and sentences can make it easy and natural.
Let's start with the basics. Aisle.
Ah, yes. An aisle is the row between shelves in a supermarket. For example, the milk is in aisle 5.
Exactly. And you can also ask, "Excuse me, where is aisle 3?" Polite and simple.
Polite and natural.
Next, we have shopping carts or basket.
Ah, yes. A shopping cart is for larger shopping, and a basket is for smaller items. For example, I need a basket for a few items.
And you can also say, "Can I have a shopping cart, please?" Polite and clear.
Another important word is price tag.
Exactly. You can ask, "Excuse me, what is the price of this item?"
Or, I can't find the price tag. Could you help me? Polite and natural.
Next, let's talk about discount and sale.
Oh, yes. Discount means a lower price, and sale means items are on promotion. For example, this shirt is on sale for $20.
And you can ask, "Excuse me, is this item on sale?" Polite and simple.
Another useful phrase is, do you accept credit cards?
Yes, you can ask politely at checkout, "Do you accept credit cards or only cash?"
Or, can I pay by card, please? Very polite and clear.
So far, we've learned words like aisle, checkout, shopping cart, basket, price tag, discount, sale, and credit cards.
Using these words will help you shop confidently and politely in any supermarket.
Let's start with shopping list.
Ah, yes. A shopping list is a list of items you need to buy. For example, I made a shopping list before going to the supermarket.
And you can also say, "Can you help me check my shopping list?" Polite and natural.
Another useful word is fresh produce.
Right. Fresh produce means fruits and vegetables that are fresh. For example, the fresh produce section is near the entrance.
Or you can ask, excuse me, where is the fresh produce section?
Polite and simple.
Next, let's talk about dairy products.
Ah, yes. Dairy products include milk, cheese, and yogurt. For example, I need to buy some dairy products.
You can also ask, could you tell me where the dairy products are?
Polite and clear.
Another important phrase is this organic?
Exactly. You can ask politely, "Excuse me, is this milk organic?"
Or, are these vegetables organic? Polite and easy to understand.
Next, we have expired or best before date.
Ah, yes. You can check the quality of products with this. For example, excuse me, can you tell me the best before date on this yogurt?
Or, "Is this product expired?"
Polite and simple.
Another useful phrase is, "I'm looking for a specific brand."
Yes, you can ask politely, excuse me, I'm looking for this brand of cereal. Can you help me?
Or, "Do you have this brand in stock?"
Very polite and clear.
So far, we've learned words and phrases like shopping list, fresh produce, dairy products, is this organic, expired or best before date, and looking for a specific brand.
Let's start with out of stock.
Ah, yes. When an item is not available, you can say or ask, "Excuse me, is this item out of stock?"
Or, do you have this product in stock?
Polite and natural.
Another useful phrase is special offer.
Right. Special offer means a product is sold at a lower price for a limited time. For example, these apples are on a special offer today.
And you can ask, excuse me, is this item on special offer?
Polite and simple.
Next, we have loyalty card.
Oh, yes. A loyalty card helps you collect points or get discounts. For example, "Do you have a loyalty card for discounts?"
Or, I would like to use my loyalty card, please.
Polite and clear.
Another important phrase is cashier.
Exactly. The cashier is the person who handles payment at the checkout. For example, the cashier was very helpful.
Or you can ask politely, "Excuse me, could the cashier help me with this item?"
Polite and natural. Next, let's talk about refund and return.
Ah, yes. You can ask politely, "Excuse me, can I return this product?"
Or, I'd like a refund for this item, please. Polite and professional. Friendly.
Another useful phrase is self-checkout. Curious.
Yes. Self-checkout is where you scan and pay for items yourself. For example, the self-checkout line is faster today. Happy.
And you can ask, "Excuse me, how do I use the self-checkout?" Smiling, polite, and clear.
So far, we've learned words and phrases like out of stock, special offer, loyalty card, cashier, refund, return, and self-checkout.
Yes, knowing these phrases will help you communicate politely and confidently while shopping. Smiling.
Let's start with buy one, get one free.
Oh, yes. This means if you buy one product, you get another for free. For example, these chocolates are buy one, get one free today. Happy.
And you can ask, excuse me, is this item buy one, get one free? Polite and clear. Friendly.
Another useful phrase is loose items. Curious.
Right. Loose items are sold individually, not in a package. For example, I'd like 3 loose tomatoes, please. Happy.
Or you can ask, "Excuse me, are these apples sold loose or by weight?" Smiling. Polite and natural.
Friendly. Next, let's talk about barcode or scanner.
Oh, yes. A barcode is the code on a product scanned at checkout. For example, the cashier scanned the barcode quickly. Happy.
And you can ask, excuse me, can you scan this barcode? Polite and simple. Friendly.
Another important phrase is store credit. Curious.
Exactly. Store credit is money credited to your account for returns. For example, I returned the shirt and got store credit. Happy.
Or you can ask, "Excuse me, can I get store credit for this item?" Smiling. Polite and clear.
Next, we have price check.
Oh, yes. Sometimes you need to check the price of an item. You can ask, "Excuse me, could you do a price check on this item?" Happy.
Or, I can't find the price. Could you help me? Polite and natural. Friendly.
Another useful phrase is expired or damaged items. Curious.
Yes. You can say politely, excuse me, this product is expired. Can you replace it? Happy.
Or, "This item is damaged. Could you help me return it?" Smiling, polite and clear.
So far, we've learned phrases like buy one, get one free, loose items, barcode, store credit, price check, and expired or damaged items. Let's start with price match.
Oh, yes. Price match means the store matches a competitor's price. For example, can you price match this item with another store?
Or, do you offer price matching for this product? Polite and clear.
Another useful phrase is customer service.
Right. Customer service is where you get help with questions or problems. For example, I need to go to customer service for a refund.
Or, "Excuse me, can customer service help me with this issue?"
Polite and natural. Next, we have loyalty points.
Yes, loyalty points are earned by using a loyalty card. For example, I earned 50 loyalty points for this purchase.
And you can ask politely, excuse me, how many loyalty points do I have? Polite and simple.
Another important phrase is promotional offer.
Exactly. Promotional offers are special discounts or deals. For example, This promotional offer is valid this week only.
Or, excuse me, is this product part of a promotional offer?
Polite and clear. Next, we have bulk purchase.
Ah, yes. Bulk purchase means buying a large quantity at once. For example, buying in bulk is cheaper than buying single items.
And you can ask politely, excuse me, do you offer discounts for bulk purchases? Polite and natural.
Another useful phrase is checkout counter.
Yes, checkout counter is where you pay for your items. For example, the checkout counter is very busy today.
Or, excuse me, which checkout counter is open? Polite and simple.
So far, we've learned phrases like price match, customer service, loyalty points, promotional offer, bulk purchase, and checkout counter. Let's start with price check at the counter.
Oh, yes. Sometimes you need to verify the price of an item. You can ask, excuse me, could you do a price check for this item?
Or, I can't find the price tag. Could you help me, please? Polite and clear.
Another useful phrase is expired or damaged item.
Yes, you can ask politely, excuse me, this product seems expired. Could I get a replacement?
Or, this item is damaged. Can I return it or get a refund? Polite and natural.
Polite and natural. Next, let's talk about ask for assistance.
Right. You can ask a store employee politely, excuse me, could you assist me with this product?
Or, could you help me find this item, please? Polite and simple.
Another important phrase is loyalty program registration.
Exactly. You can ask, excuse me, can I register for your loyalty program?
Or, I'd like to join the loyalty program, please. Polite and clear.
Polite and clear. Next, we have payment methods.
Ah, yes. You can ask, do you accept credit cards, debit cards, or cash?
Or, can I pay by card, please? Polite and natural.
Finally, remember simple, polite phrases like please, thank you, excuse me, and could you help me?
That's right. Using these phrases makes your shopping experience polite, smooth, and confident.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Podcast with FTJ.
Keep practicing these phrases, and your English while shopping will become fluent and natural.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.